working hand with you people, our legislators, state legislators, because every state will House of Assembly now regulate laws of that state, and all the laws of a House of Assembly anybody in Anambra State na putting na social media. Onye no na eme ifedo na eme na social media. Onwe onye chori bia patronize, ya bia patronize. No problem. We have no problem with that. But this era of social media, if I suppose can eme na social media, would that aka hygiene to or I can do imagine even the so-called obodo cha obodo ni na advance forever na as na eme ife nke na boutique. So I know your no. Now you're the landlord. Now you're following the lawyer. Following the lawyer na house caretaker, sir, especially in Nigeria. Because if I use Nigeria as a template. I want to use Nigeria as a template. Indoors are copy or I even does. Can you info only in the rent came alone and made before. And we can also create that law. Open if only in the rent about if you don't have source of livelihood in Abamoto Kamoto Dala, you need to be questions need to be asked. In the PG in the security in the vigilante, they should live up to expectation. Open their name happy if I can have one dinner change or can indeed, well, it is not our culture. Our culture we bambo. So I don't am happy with what we saw yesterday. Na ofuno. Onye nwuna ano na obodo Igbo kpata ego wenata na Igbo. Mana ndị rent ile awu ndị no ebe a. Na-eje ezu ndị oyi ndị ọcha oyi na-ezu ndị mmadụ oyi. Ezugido ọba ha egbu ha mmadụ kidnap ha mmadụ. Although good. I sympathize with the 38 youths. I sympathize with them. And the more I blame 100%, but they will go and face the law. Like case we all happened in our police stations yesterday. Let them, the vigilante will laws, I will local laws, I will. Now for enemy for joy, I phone I am also see about it. Now I will the police. Then the police say, the police are budget court. Olo court, in the court to decide their fate here. Then Obunango landlord Mana Eloshalono Chicolo Omazi but the landlord will I don't know they feel now. And then you make a KYC know your customer. Malonia Bonye Dina Beg Fire Wajuse Echi Kefeduna only Africa put a big currently effective. And I put na security. If you see something, say something. And if you say something will be done. I can't believe that now Ofunwani will not be in the midst of 30 boys. And what if I know for the audio night to another or 30 people are not anymore. You don't see. Imam just saying, oh, I'm not guilty. He gets to I am not judge. Landlord, take on I am not judge. Or is your praise. So because because now as now eku melo now uta isi eku ewuka go where them man because only abunable landlord elu show no open in front the rent here then posisi elu je ko ugbo I have funded the leafy kota. Executive will help. Okay.
I will need to Katako Soludo for this idea. Let us also thank the idea bearer. I don't know, no, I do right if I say that Soludo actually borrowed this idea from the late distinguished senator Ifeanyi Ubah. Leadership from Gonronyo na Mama. They want to go with Ochishia na Mama, and they believe in Ochishia Mama Senator Ifeanyi Ubah. Honestly, this was exactly the system which will set up that security structure. You want to go? All that same way, on your cage, say, Ozwama Hapo, Yanelo, Ebo, Anya Nodo. That is exactly what Governor Soludo did now, because now every single thing, if you see something, say something. Actually, if then landlord maloney tiri n'ulo, then if onye way for na alumano na go report or you know using the local vigilante, looking more like community policing. Every Soludo bidoreva. A other go in case facilitator who Soludo distribute this walkie-talkie energy so that information will we can go around. The motherfucker has something. They send their signals instead of a policy phone. You signal immediately in case of emergency. Like for example, that yesterday, that 2 nights ago, after 5 million na Edinburgh Junction, I am really need that in a house or send their signal. Or you will in the operation Udo Gashiyano side over when they are non issue, when they are neighbor, Hanchani na Maloni Femenoza, they will mount us bonilo. That is the kind of security for the Oboda the Channel Advance and for the African country they use. That is why you see less of Ndere Bugari, but you see more of Ndeji that walkie-talkie. Because if I would the most effective security techniques, because Osbonu na made that thing na that Edinburgh Junction. Onye no so eba he nyego signal. Onye no no Joto. Onye no Nishi. Onye no no Oba. Hancha niile mande no self no obodo nwe ka o si wee do mande biara ife no side amu ko na eme ife. Onye ona ye move into action. It is more better than ibure egbe if onye bu egbe. Without ibure egbe without information, what are you going to do? Nda ya mokwu and it is also high time I distribute to that same thing to the police. War signal here or the sharp or however and a na MTN or if in a call or yaga. More you know the DSTV or not at all hang there. No war signal here, signal ya ka when we can disseminate information. Information is the key. As a man not a calles a melo the guy as in a wologono. A go man no information go jaga. Is almost incident in around about a pass your information. The whole security outfit in around the roundabout amount one and then information when we have drop moto na moto so onye no oyo nwere onye na around there ba onye if I can judge them do in Zambia osigo ike ni zuo in Zambia now osikalo ni zuo in Zambia na chances na ye jide good very high so share this video. Ifeanyi Ubah will borrow that guy, but may his soul keep resting in peace. Amen.